Hello everyone, I'm coming from CSC department and now I'm going to present a project experiment number 3 in programming microcontrollers. In this program experiment, we'll be seeing how to connect a STM with LED and a push button. So now we need to create a new STM project file, STM32. We go to file, new and STM32 project. So we'll be selecting the part number which we'll be using. The part which we're going to use is STM32 F401 RP. So this is the part which I'm going to use. So let's give left and give the project name. I'm going to give it as push. But the project is still loading. That is IOC file will be loaded first. The loading of IOC file may take a while depending on the network connection. So we need to select the output and input ports. GPIO input will be our pin number 13 and GPIO output will be our pin number 5. You can see it over there. This is our output pin and this is our input pin. Now let's save the IOC file. So after saving this IOC file, you'll be receiving a C code in which we'll be writing the code for LED push and push button. So already I have copied the code. So I have it over here. So, so this is the code it will be using for this. So we can see that we have declared a function over here for push button. We'll be reading from the pin number 13 and we'll be getting the output from pin number 15. So now let's select go to project and create our X file. Apply and close. Project properties. Okay, our X file is done. So now let's build the program. So now we are creating the hex file for this. If you are getting 0 warnings and 0 errors, your file does not have any errors and your hex file is generated properly. We can see the hex file in the debug section. So pushbutton.x. So we have created hex file in STM32. Now we'll be moving to Proteus and we have created a new project and I have assembled the circuit already. So we have connected a LED to a pin number 5 PF5 and we have connected the push button in and we have connected the push button input. We have connected the push button input to our pin number 13 and we have connected the LED and push button to the ground. So now we'll be adding the X file to it. So program file, I'll go to this PC, Windows C, STM, push button, debug.x file, open and I'll give OK. Now the X file has been loaded. If we are simulating the output, so you can see that the LED is being glowed if I give push button. So once I'm not pressing the push button, the LED is not being glowed. So this is the output which you are supposed to get and this is how we should do the program. So thank you.